let's discuss about like how I prepare for the exam and what time slot I took for this exam. I took the schedule at around 8 o'clock, and that's the 8 to 8. As you know, it's a 24 hours exam, and in the next 24 hours we have to submit the report. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. A very warm welcome back to my returning subscribers. Today's episode will be a much more different from the other ones because recently I cleared a certification and recently I got that certificate in hand as a courier, and we will gonna unbox that certificate today in front of you all. So this is the certificate which I received as a DHL courier, and this certificate is I think every one of you know from the tagline of this video, like this is an OSCP certificate which is issued by Offensive Security, and it came from, as per the address, I don't know whether it's gonna focus or not. It came from Philippines, and let's see what's inside in this package. So it's wrapped in an envelope, and it's a 0.5 kg I think. So here it's everything written, like from where it came to my address and the various details about the transportation basically. So let's see what's inside in this package. Taking a much more time because it's a very hardly on certificate, that's why. Finally, I'm very much about, I don't know what to say, so I'm too much excited in opening this envelope because I was waiting for this certificate for a long time, and it was one of my dream to clear the certification. And let's see what's inside in this package. And as OSCP says, I tried harder. So this is the back and the front side. Let's see, this is the final things which I was waiting for a long time. So as you can see, in the certificate it is written as OSCP, my name, and the date. I gave the exam on 11th June, and with that this is the card which they issued with my certificate ID, and in the back it's written as a tag of OSCP. So really I never expected like this day will come in my life, and I waited for this, truly speaking I waited for this for a long time, because frankly speaking I started preparing for OSCP from 2019, I think August, September, but after that many things happens in my personal life, and that's the reason why I took a long time to give this exam. And in the first attempt I cleared it, and I gave the exam on 11th of June, and it was really what we can say, like this is a lifetime opportunity, I will say. and this is a lifetime experience for everyone who works in infosec, like information security. They knows like how tough is this exam and what is the experience. It's very much challenging. It's not like you know everything, and in that day it's totally about the instinct, what you are doing or how you are performing on that day. So I don't know whether it's luck or something, but I did it, and yeah, hard work pays off. That's the final thing, as we all know. So so now let's discuss about how or what I did in the exam day and when I gave the exam, and a bit details about that. Let's discuss about like how I prepared for the exam and what time slot I took for this exam. So on 11th of June, I took the schedule at around 8 o'clock, and that's a 8 to 8. As you know, it's a 24 hours exam, and in the next 24 hours we have to submit the report. And that was my like selection, because I thought of taking like starting in the early morning, because in a freshman I can start, and later on like I can take a rest around in a normal time around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the night, so that it will be a proper like the management will be a much more good, like you can do the time management in a very good way. So that is the most important thing. And so how I like what was my plan. So initially I thought of, as you know, like you have to complete around 80 marks. Score pattern in this exam is around, it's a 100 marks exam, and where you will be getting 5 machines, 2 of 24 marks, 2 of 20 marks, and 1 of 10 marks. So I targeted first the 25, that is the first 25, that is the buffer overflow machine, and next I targeted the next 25 marks, because I thought of doing to score more on the 25 marks machine, so that if you can clear that 25 marks machine, it will be a very good jump for you, like 25, 25, 50, and in the next 20, 20, 10, you have to score around 30 marks. So I think I know that was my plan to target in that way. So buffer overflow was the first machine which I targeted. Then I went for the 25 marks machine, and it took I took a long time to complete that, but finally I completed the 25. Then it was 50. Then I completed the 10 mark machines, because it was pretty easy than the other machines. So 50 and then 10, 60. And among the last two, which is the 20 marks, I completed 120, and in the other 20 I completed half, that is the 10 marks. So that was my what you can say, like that was my workout, and so it worked for me. So that's how I approached in the exam day, and like the pointings and all those stuff which I already discussed. So I followed that way only. If you need, I will definitely make a separate video where I will be discussing mostly on those courses which will help you a lot for preparing for the OSCP exam, and also what I followed or what I practiced for the OSCP exam. So that I will be focusing mostly on the next video. So if you need that, do drop your comments in the comment section and let me know if you need that video or not. Accordingly, I will make it for you. So here we're gonna end today's video, where I mostly discussed about what was inside the package. Obviously, do let me know your feedback and like what you need from me. Let me know how can I help you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.